Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome all the first graders of International Islamic School of Excellence. Right in front of me, I am having the amazing science first standard book. Students, so this lecture is going to be very amazing like this book. Yes, student, of course. Students, as I have explained about the first unit and we also have solved all the exercise. So students, the next turn is about the second unit, animals. Yes, students, animals. So we are going to discuss about, to learn about, to find about the animals. So students, let's proceed. We are almost here, students. This is the second unit which names animals. So here the second unit starts. Students, what are animals? Have you ever questioned in your mind that what are animals? Yes, we know that animals are living beings. But who are animals? What are animals? Do you know something about them? Why are they in this world, in this earth? So, let's answer these questions one by one. But before answering these questions, you have to define the word animals. So, I'm here to define that what are animals and how they look like. So, students, I have some points to discuss with you about animals. So, here are I have some points. First, animals are living beings. Yes, they live, they eat food, they move, they grow, they also have babies. Okay, students, now the second is they live in different habitats according to their habits. Student, yes, animals have habits. So they live in that places where their habits are supposed to be. And students, the third one is most of them have 4 foot and many are of 2 footed. That means students, most of the animals are having 2 foot, some are 4 footed animals. So some animals crawl like snakes, some fly like birds. So animals are having different and many kind of body parts. So students, the fourth point is they are not at the level of human beings. At what level? Students, as we are civilized, we are cultured, we can have expressions, we perform in the very simplest and in the very mannered way, but animals not, until unless we don't train them as the way they have to be. Students, they just live in the way as Almighty Allah functioned them. So, students, they are very different from human beings and they are very different among themselves as well. So, these are animals, they are living beings. But, students, the thing doesn't end here. I have something more to explain about animals. What? Here is the answer. Students, animals are of 6 kinds. First kind is insects. Students, who are insects? Insects are very small animals. What kind of animals? Let's see here. Butterfly, ladybird, ant, fly, bee. Student, this kind of animal, these types of animals are included in insects. Students, insects are very small animals. They crawl. Many insects also fly. They also have the function like birds. Students, these all are included in the category of insects. They are also birds, but they have further categorized in the form of insects. Student, the next one is small animals. Who are small animals? Small animals are those pets We keep them at homes, gardens, other things like we have fun with them. So they all are called pets. We are almost here, students. Small animals. We are discussing about small animals right now. Who are small animals, students? First, have a look of that animals: sparrow, squirrel, rabbit, parrot, cat, mouse, duck, goldfish. Students, all these are categorized as small animals. Also, further animals, mice, rabbits, squirrels, cats, and dogs are small animals. We keep cats and dogs as pets. Yes, students, pets. Okay? Squirrels and birds live in trees. Mice and rabbits live in holes in the ground. Students, these are small animals. This is the second type of animals. The next one is water animals. Students, water. By the word water, we can understand that what kind of animals they are. They are water animals who lives in water. Right after the small animals, here are water animals. Fish, whale, seahorse. This is seahorse, students. Crab, dolphin, starfish. Students, these are water animals. The animals who lives inside under the water, all that kind of animals are called water animals. Water animals live in water. Fish have fins to swim in water. They breathe through gills. These all are water animals. After water animal, students, we have wild animals. Wild animals are, students, dangerous. They are big in size. We are big animals. They are called wild animals, dangerous animals. Here have a look of that animals: tiger, bear, snake, fox, deer, zebra, giraffe, monkey, lion. Students, all these are wild animals. And students, one thing more, I need to and I have to tell you about the wild animals, that they live in forest. They live very far from human beings, from very populated areas. They don't like to live in that places. So they have to choose about their, and according to their habits, they have to choose to live in forests. Wild animals live in far away from cities and towns. I'm right, students? They walk and run. Some of them climb trees. Some animals eat other animals. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat both plants and animals, students. These are the qualities and habits of wild animals. After wild animals, we have some useful animals. Who are that animals? They provide food in many ways, means they are very useful to human beings. So students, let's have a look of useful animals. These are useful animals, students. In what ways? Let's have a glance. A camel carries heavy loads. Camel is useful. In what way? Because they carry heavy loads for us. A horse is useful animal. In what way? In which way? A horse pulls a cart. They also carries load. What about the sheep? A sheep gives us wool. So sheep is also useful animal. What about goat? Goat gives us meat. So goat is also useful animal. Hen. Hen gives us eggs and meat. Cow. Cow gives us milk. So these animals, in that way of very usefulness, we concluded about them useful animals. And we also keep these animals on farm. Students, the last one after useful animals are birds. Students, birds also are categorized as animals, but they are flying animals of different shapes. So, who are flying animals? Birds. These are These all are birds. Let's have some words about birds. A bird has feathers to fly. They have feathers to fly. Most birds can fly. Birds eat different kinds of food. Who are flying animals? Hawk, vulture. What they eat? Hawk eats small birds and animals. Vulture eats dead animals. This is the eater of dead animals. Parrot eats fruit. A heron eats small fish. Sparrow eats seeds. A duck eats water plants and fish. They like to eat. What are their habits? They eat according to their eating habits. A woodpecker eats insects. So, students, we have concluded about 6 types of animals: insects,